Okay. First of all, good afternoon, everyone. Yeah, if you guys get any question, you guys can drop me Q&A immediately. Uh, don't worry about it. And yeah, you guys can see my screen now.
Yep, we can see.
All right. Okay. So today, I'm going to talk with you guys is regarding how digital transformation and how F&B ordering going mobile. So firstly, I'll let you introduce a bit about Xilnex, who we are, before anything first. So we are a cloud-based retail management system, also called is to be a layman term, we are a point of sale system. So basically, we centralize in retail transaction and F&B. That is most of our client from. Our point of sale is covered across Southeast Asia region, and we have customer in Australia and Canada as well. And these are some of our loyalty F&B clients, as you can see. And later on, when I show you on the mobile ordering, there are some that the example that I taken up from them. Right. We also have some enterprise clients such as Malaysia airports, Cheah and Gamuda Group. This is more on our tender awarded tender from the companies, enterprise companies, and we have as well as a retail client as well. So for our company basis, as a point of sale system, we don't position ourselves just a standard point of sales. We do a step more than that. We did a lot of point of sales innovations, as well as doing a lot of customization on our POS system that caters on different businesses. As in the market, especially our three key partners company, T-Life, Texas, and Santan, has been our partner company to POS innovations. So a lot of our POS features and customizations come from them, their ideas based on their businesses. So a lot of F&B features, retail features, is all from our client perspective. So a lot of our software development is always centric around our customer business behavior. Besides being a POS, we also have CRM covering. CRM is this customer relationship management system. And we have self-ordering. Part of it is later we will talk about is a mobile ordering system that is coming up, especially during this COVID-19 period, where mobile ordering has been helping a lot for our client. And there's also retail ERPs that communicate with our POS system, with ERP system. And our data come with machine learning and analytic, where some of our clients have subscribed this analytic and machine learning features, where they will help them to predict their sales or to manage their stock inventory. And as well as, like I said, we have enterprise customization, where it's still part of our POS system. It's just that we add on numerous special features on the system itself, such as Gamuda. We deal with theme park businesses, and Malaysia airports. We actually covers all the Malaysia's airport POS system. Yeah. And yeah, so today I'm going on to our main topic. Basically, what I'm going to share with you guys is how F&B businesses has going mobile. When I talk about going mobile, is actually how the ordering process we're talking about. So a lot of F&B businesses nowadays, they're always thinking about how to let customer constantly visits, how to increase the revenue of the businesses while reducing the cost. But the main key point is here is always how does bringing one businesses from your outlet to the client, rather than waiting the clients come to your outlet to purchase your products. Why not we as a merchants or businesses go to our client? And that's where Xilnex coming from. So for mobile ordering segment, we have come up with three different session of products. One of it is bring your own device. Another one is F&B Go. F&B Go is actually a light version of host system, whereby it allows F&B businesses to set up pop-up stores or kiosks in any place in a Go, and come with lead versions of host system and menu inside. And then another one is in-app ordering. In-app ordering basically is your mobile phone apps, whereby there's ordering app inside where you are communicated directly to the post system. So it's interlinked directly in the post, whereby if the businesses come with kitchen display system or those back-end operation, is actually directly communicate to the operation. So when you do the ordering, there is no more in-between communication between different system, but it's a end-to-end system from front to back. All right, so one of it, I'm going to give you an example is bring your own device. Bring your own device is actually a web-based PWA system, where this PWA system is actually a web basis. Client can just scan a QR code, go to a website and start ordering. So basically the ordering process is you scan a QR code, get a QR code, scan, then the web-based PWA will pop up in your mobile apps, mobile phone using a web browser. And then from the web browser, you can do your menu ordering. And once the menu ordering done, you will send to the kitchen prepare, and the food is ready, and you can go and directly pick up. So one of the clients that we are running now is Santan, which is in Mid Valley, AHA Santan. Basically, it's airline food. Okay, so now I'm going to swap to my mobile view. All right. If anyone wants to check out this app, you can go to type order.santan.com.my. Basically, this is our customized products for one of our clients, which is Santan. Basically, it's a mass-produced products that everybody can come on board. It's just that customized in terms of we personalize each different client with their own design and so on. So each client can have their own design, their own template, etc. So basically, in this bring your own device, basically this whole menu is customizable, and all is based on whatever the businesses want it. So the menu, this is how it looks like. The process is very straightforward. When there's a combo, when there's a menu items, add to carts. You can see when you go to the carts, you can select whether you want to take away or dine in, but basically for now, we can use only take away. And we can also select the pickup time. So what happens is you can select whenever pickup time you need it, and the system will automatically notify the back end of the kitchen when the food will be prepared. And these features is sophisticated enough for that when the food are ready for you to pick up, let's say you are setting up in 4 p.m. the pickup time, the system will only notify the backend kitchen at 3:55. So the backend kitchen will able to prepare freshly made prepared food, right? So once you place order, basically you need to confirm and do your checkout on that. Sorry, I do a sample of it. Basically, I can't go through the whole process because this system is actually running live. If I do a transaction now, I need to go to Mid Valley and collect my food. Yeah, so the payment method here that we can accept any payment methods that the merchant wanted, whether you want to go through IP88, GHL, or MOL, Razorpay, or any e-wallets as well. So the payment method is not restricted. It's basically on which providers that you guys already agree upon, right? Yeah. So once the payment is
Hi,
done,
Simon. Sorry, quick one, Simon.
yep,
Hi, Simon.
yeah,
Sorry, quick one. Are you showing us your mobile share screen?
yep. This is a mobile share screen.
Because that's all right, because it seems like you're showing us something else, but here we only see the screenshot of Santan.
Oh, is it? Oh, sorry.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. I guess I need to.
We only see the the 3 phone screenshot that you were
Oh,
explaining just now.
uh,
Yeah.
check out how I can. Oh, sorry. Can you see now the sharing?
Yeah. This is
Oh,
also Santan, right? But
yes, it's the mobile. Look,
it's in a different, the
can you
blue
guys see
color
it when I
screen.
touch it?
Yeah, it's moving now.
Oh,
Yes.
okay, all right. So I
Yep.
guess okay. I think I restart the present again. Okay. So basically, this just now
Yeah.
when I talk about the Santan, this is the Santan menu inside. Uh, Basically, it's a straightforward menu ordering, kind of simple as per what your Grab is. But one of the key features is here. What we have is that you can select your pickup later timing, right? So when we talk about pickup later timing, we can select the system will automatically notify the backend kitchen when the food will need to be prepared. Not that we would, once the order has been placed, you will directly talk to the system backend to print out the kitchen printing or go to the kitchen display system. No, our system has been customized in a way in which that the system only notified the backend kitchen at, let's say the pickup time is 4, it will only appear on 3:55, something like that. Okay, so yeah, I guess I can check you guys on this. So now, basically, if I did the payment, it will go through a real scenario because this is actually a real thing that is running in our client site, Santan Mid Valley. Uh, I can't do the real payment now because if I did it, the payment have to be go through on the way. So yeah, so that's it. So this is basically what I'm showing you guys is that this is how F&B businesses can go mobile ordering, uh, especially in during these MCO periods. A lot of our F&B businesses has been affected. So this mobile ordering will allow them to reduce even furthermore to close contact with the client. Basically, when a client move up to a F&B store, they can basically ask them to just scan a QR code and just order through this web-based system directly. Okay, then okay, let me go back to sharing you guys another. Okay, so besides Santan, right? Okay, I'm gonna show you guys another one is another of mobile ordering that we have for our client is in-app ordering. It's a bit different from just now what I show you because just now what I show you is actually you scan a QR code and the app, the PWA It's a web-based system that allow you to order. Now this one, for Costa Coffee, is an in-app ordering. So the concept is basically it's just the same like bring your own device, but the only thing is that they actually is an app that is running. As you can see, this is my mobile. So it's actually an apps compared to just now that is a web-based. Right. For this, the concept of ordering is the same. Select the stall, and it's the same thing that you can select which of the time, and then after that, you can select whichever drinks that you want. So once you do the selection of orders, it's the same concept. It will directly post up to our system, the post system directly. So basically, the online ordering, mobile ordering here is that to give the merchant a way that when you talk about receiving order rather than using a standard post system, this whole mechanism of needing a cashier can be removed. We can just use the apps or using the PWA to do the mobile ordering directly. Okay. Okay. I'll show you the screen back to my slide a bit. Okay. So this is the two true online orderings that we have. One is in-app ordering and one is BOD. And now let me go through another one, which is F&B Go. F&B Go is our portable host system, where it's allowed F&B businesses to go portably taking up orders rather than you need to face to face with the cashier. They can portable to be taking order in anywhere else anytime. So the ordering process is similar to standard cashier. You browse the order, get the kitchen on order, and then kitchen prepare and send it to it. So for F&B Go, this is how it roughly look like. I will show you now on the mobile phone basis because it's a mobile apps technically, right? So basically, this is actually a lead version of similar to a cashier ordering system. So what happened here is having the same concept as cashier, you can do an ordering, get an order done, add to cart. After add to cart, you go to file orders and directly pass it up to your kitchen backend. The main point here is that allowing these lead versions of whole system allowed F&B businesses to be more mobile rather than you waiting at the outlets. But on this hand, that actually you can ask your waiter, your cashier or waiter to move to the client, move towards the clients to place order. Okay. Yeah. And then part of it is I need to share with you guys is once we talk about going mobile on F&B businesses, we have having statistic is that around 8% or 9%, 8 to 9% sales increase when it's going to mobile. We can see a lot of, we can see a very good example is on Santan. Basically, around 15% of their orders is not come from cashier. 15% of it is come from the mobile ordering. And part of it, when we talk about mobile ordering, we have one key point is that we remove the ordering time routing, which means actually customer don't wait or don't line up when they place order. They can cut queue and directly put the order through the apps and anything, and the orders can directly send to the kitchen immediately. right? And especially during this MCO period, the reduced human contact to the minimum, especially you using mobile ordering, there will be no human contact between the cashier and the basically the customer. Customer will directly order through the mobile and pass towards the kitchen immediately, right? And then part of the mobility move closer to the customer. So what happens is that a lot of these F&B businesses, when you open stations in one location, for example, if let's say you're in Mid Valley, you have to wait for client to come to Mid Valley to order, to get your order and so on. But basically, if you go mobile, customer can be at anywhere, anytime, and place their order. They just need to go to your outlet to pick up the order whenever the selected time they want. So basically, you are moving your businesses out from the store, but towards the customer, which is one click away, directly through their phone. Okay. Okay. For that is for F&B businesses only, and we have also retail businesses. Retail businesses, I think for this MCO period, mostly will be on e-commerce and Xilnex. For us, we provide both sides, which is e-commerce and Xilnex mobility. So e-commerce is that we able to, our system are linked towards Lazada and Shopee, as well as those e-commerce site through one of our partner, which is Zappy. Zappy, we will link towards Zappy on that sense, and Zappy will directly link the merchant towards any of your e-commerce choices. So in this case, let me talk about Xilnex mobility. So Xilnex mobility is that portable mobile application that cater for retail system, especially. So what happens here is that during this MCO period, a lot of retail businesses is basically unable to do businesses, especially your outlet need to be closed or anything. But nevertheless, we have this Xilnex mobility whereby actually if your business is still able to run, you can still move towards client and you still can create invoice and you can still do quotation for the client on the go. All right. And yeah, so basically I'll show you a bit of our Xilnex mobility. Okay, so for Xilnex mobility, it's actually a mobile apps. Basically, this is inside a phone. You can directly create the invoices through here using just filling up all the shipping, those sales information and so on. And especially even the item, you can directly search through here. Basically, I'll get a sample. So yeah, so you can directly create the item and invoices immediately through your phone. And this is actually linked back directly to your point of sale system, which is Xilnex. So mainly this is the way of our system go through, how to go through mobility and utilizing this mobility to send the information, to connect between our post system to the frontline ordering, right? Yeah, any questions you guys have?
Hi Simon, I think there's one question. Are you able to look at the Q&A box?
Yeah, all right.
Okay.
Okay.
That's a very long question for you.
Oh, I think there's 3 questions, is it?
Yep.
Oh, no. All right.
Two.
Oh, okay. All right, 2. All right.
Can you see
So,
the 2 questions?
yeah. So the first one is the
Okay.
third-party Wi-Fi solution at F&B, just like Starbucks to print out the
Yep.
Wi-Fi code on the receipt on
Yep.
login. Yeah, we have that. Actually, we already do it with the same provider, Wi-Fi Zone as well, which is the same provider as Starbucks and Coffee Bean. Yes, our F&B post is actually equipped with this system in it. Okay. Another question is from Mohana. It has to give a
Yeah.
hard uh, an estimation of each case differ in requirement, but an estimate of what a minimum cost to a maximum cost would be deployed in the system. All right, Mona, for a minimum cost, excluding the hardware, we are talking about only the software of the system. Uh, we are looking at basically less than uh, 400 ringgit per month. For mobile ordering, only for that module, we are basically charging roughly 400 ringgit only for that. If you bundle up together with our system, which means if you're using our Xilnex post system and together with our mobile ordering, then the pricing will be a lot more lower. Okay, and as for you can see the mobile ordering, we can actually hook it up quite fast. Basically, in 4 days' time, we can hook up the URL and everything. But to be honest, one of the key issues is that a lot of businesses menu is not is specially cater for cashier. So when the cashier view of menu is a bit different for customer view. So that consultation of changes of the menu, it might take longer time. Okay, I think another question is yes.
Yeah, one more question.
Yeah, may I know if Xilnex have any reseller program? Yes, we have reseller program. You can propose our system to our client. I will be able to share you guys a contact and you can drop emails to there later on after this session end. Okay,
If you want, you can drop it at the chat box that you see at the side.
Oh, okay. All right. Can. I'll drop it there
You can drop it there
later.
as well.
Okay. And all right.
There's one more question.
Oh, okay. What are the advantages in using your platform? How much your normal transaction? Are you sure that is the question for me? You please. Oh, sorry. There's another one.
Yeah.
Can you tell us who is your existing F&B client that has free Wi-Fi service? Is it there or who, so that we can visit their outlet? Yeah, actually, San Fran's Coffee, they are providing the Wi-Fi services there, but they are not using Wi-Fi Zone. They are using a different provider. Okay. Xilnex don't provide Wi-Fi service, as we know. Sorry about that. Yeah. And actually, Xilnex, we have a lot of different products, and our core is usually on point of sales. So today I only share on the mobile ordering system only. So if there is anything you guys want to know more about our post system, we can arrange another time to specially cater to you guys on it, because for presenting on our point of sale system is uh, quite lengthy as well, because our features there are quite numerous features in it that we can't cover in this short time.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Simon, if there is anything else that you'd like to add on to your presentation?
Yeah. Let me add on some of it. So, hold on. So basically, to share you guys a bit about Xilnex as well. For now, we are actually doing a special rate discount for anyone that sign up with us for March and April. Uh, we are those that already closes, we are giving out 40% and 15% discount. That's those that still running the business at the moment. And then for this event, if anyone that sign up during this period, uh, we are giving 1 month free subscription on this event that sign up. So okay, part of it that we always is a code that we always uphold in our company, which is our industry does not respect tradition; it only respect innovation. That's why in our Xilnex system, even though we are host system, but we did a lot of innovative products and even a lot of innovative customization that is not uh, as per what you see as a standard post system. Yeah, I think that's all for my presentations. If there's any questions, you guys can always drop me on the Q&A. And if
Yeah.
anything, you guys
Yeah.
can email to info@xilnex.com for further informations. Yeah.
Okay. Thank you so much, Simon, for coming on board and sharing your insights and about what Xilnex does. Thank you so much. Appreciate your
Yeah.
effort. And a huge thank you from Exabyte and MDEC as well.
All right. Okay.
Hi, Simon. Okay.
Thanks.
All right. Thank you so much, Simon.
Okay.
Exabytes. Grow your business online.